Hi students, welcome to Sri Guru Bio classes. Today we are going to discuss about another important topic in biology, structure of animal cell. Structure of animal cell. As we know that all living organisms are made up of cells. Generally, the cells are classified into two types based on the presence or absence of nucleus. These cells are divided into prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. So cells are categorized into two categories. One is prokaryotic cell, another one is eukaryotic cells. So presence of nucleus, that is known as eukaryotic cells. Absence of nucleus, that is known as prokaryotic cells. These animal cells comes under this category, eukaryotic cells. So animal cell is a type of eukaryotic cell. Next, these animal cells, they are exhibited different sizes and different shapes. For example, some cells are long and some cells are circular in shape and some cells are oval in shape, like this. So there are different types, different sizes and shapes of these animal cells are observed. Generally, the shape and size of that cells are mainly depend on its functions. So based on their functions, the animal cells are exhibited in different shapes and sizes. Now let us see the detailed structure of animal cell. Generally, the animal cells, most of the cells which is present in that oval shape. Generally, the animal cells which is present in that most of the animals are oval in shape. Generally, the cell is covered with delicate membrane, that is known as cell membrane. That is cell membrane or plasma membrane. Plasma membrane. So here all the animal cells are enclosed with cell membrane or plasma membrane. So it is very thin layer. Generally it is semi-permeable in nature. This layer protect the internal contents of the cell. Next, inside the cell membrane, that is inside the animal cell, the jelly-like substance which is present inside the cell, that is known as cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance present inside the cells. Next, in that cytoplasm, a large number of organelles are also present. In this large number of organelles, one of the most important cell organelles which is present in that animal cell is nucleus. Generally, the centrally located nucleus is observed in this animal cell. Generally, the nucleus is a double membrane structure. The nucleus is a double membrane structure. Generally, the nucleus is enclosed with double membrane. This is known as nuclear membrane. So this is known as nuclear membrane. So inside the nucleus, nucleolus, another important structure which is present inside the nucleus, that is known as nucleolus. nucleolus. In addition to this nucleolus, inside the nucleus, the fluid is present inside the nucleus that is known as nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm. Inside the nucleoplasm, the genetic material, that is DNA, generally the DNA is present in this nucleus. It controls the all activities of the cell. So these all are comes under this nucleus. Generally the nucleus means the genetic material is covered with nuclear membrane. This nucleus contains nucleolus and genetic material and nucleoplasm. In addition to this nucleus, the animal cells having some of the membranous structures which is commonly present inside that animal cells, that is endoplasmic reticulum. This is endoplasmic reticulum or ER. So sometimes this endoplasmic reticulum is the ribosomes are present on these walls of the endoplasmic reticulum. So this is commonly called as rough endoplasmic reticulum. Generally a membranous structure which is present in that cell, that is known as endoplasmic reticulum. Sometimes the endoplasmic reticulum, there are different membranous structures are present in that cells. In these cells, the walls of that endoplasmic reticulum is attached to the small ribosomes. These ribosomes attached in this endoplasmic reticulum, that is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum. Sometimes this endoplasmic reticulum does not have ribosomes on that walls, that is known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum, SER. Rough endoplasmic reticulum means the ribosomes are attached into walls of that endoplasmic reticulum. So mainly it is involved in the protein synthesis. And smooth endoplasmic reticulum, generally which is no ribosomes are attached in these walls of that endoplasmic reticulum, that is known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. In addition to this endoplasmic reticulum, another important cell organelle which is present in that animal cell, that is Golgi complex. That is Golgi complex. Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus are also present in these animal cells. Next, in addition to this, numerous mitochondria are also present inside the animal cells. In addition to this, lysosomes are the another membrane bound structures which have hydrolytic enzymes. This is known as lysosomes, and this is mitochondria. Next, in this, ribosomes are also present in that cytoplasm, generally 80S type of ribosomes. Generally 80S type of ribosomes are also present inside the cytoplasm of these animal cells. In addition to these all cell organelles, some of the cytoskeletal elements are also present in these collagen fibers, and microtubules are also present in these animal cells. Microtubules and some other cytoskeletal structures are also present in this cytoplasm of these animal cells. Next, another important characteristic feature which is observed in these animal cells, especially the centrioles. Centrioles, one of the most important structures which is present in that animal cells, that is known as centrioles. Presence of centrioles is one of the most important characteristic of these animal cells. These centrioles are not present in that animal cells. The centrioles is present in that only animal cells. In this, centrioles are mainly involved in the process of cell division. So generally the plant cells does not have these centrioles. Okay. So these are the common structures which is observed in this animal cells. So animal cells does not have any cell wall surrounded by this like plant cell. So plant cell have distinct cell wall, but here in this animal cell does not have its cell wall. Another important characteristic feature observed in this animal cell. Next, sometimes these animal cells having externally some projections that is known as microvilli. Finger-like projections are protruded from this cell membrane, that is known as microvilli. Microvilli. It increases the surface area of the cells and it is involved in the process of absorption. So these are the common features found in this structure in these animal cells. So this is the simple structure of animal cells. If you have any doubts on this topic, please comment on this comment box. If you want more videos from my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.